I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market. Today in soybeans, they fell. The rain in Argentina really brought in the selling and pressed this market lower. The market really broke below the January 967 support level, and we broke all the way down to 957. It really brought in a new wave of selling. I think that we can expect more volatility as we move towards the end of the year. There's each day the volume's a little bit lower, but you can see that the liquidation came after that USDA report back on December 12th, and it didn't look back. Once the market broke under that support level, it really pushed it lower. And so it seems to me that for the rest of the year, we're going to see some big volatility bouncing back and forth. It was the market, that soybean market was vulnerable to try to catch up with that corn. As you can see, the corn was steady today, even though that there was those rains in Argentina that was helping the dryness there and to continue some of the planting in Argentina. The futures again did try to test those contract lows. Even though they were tested, they didn't really break through. So for now, the market's really hanging on. The traders are just not willing to sell into the hole that's happening right here. But we better watch out, because if some of the farmers start to sell at this point, would be a time that the farmers would sell and then take their the profits on it after the first of the year. That's kind of the way they've been working it. That could offer some pressure to the market. We haven't seen that yet, but that's one thing that could happen. Although with the soybeans so much lower, it's kind of keeping the corn a little bit quiet. Wheat was also on the rise today, which was kind of interesting. There's a little short-term bullish like kind of recovery pattern right now. It's been up for the fourth day in a row, and you know, wheat was really suffering from an oversold situation. I know that there's been some concerns about some dryness in some of the wheat belt areas, but overall the world wheat stocks are really huge, and the U.S. it's been very difficult to be competitive around the world, and so we have to find other ways to start to eat through some of those supplies. So we're watching that closely, although wheat does look pretty good today. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.